In this video, we'll break down exactly how to respond in EverWebinar chat, ensuring you make the most out of your webinars and keep your audience engaged. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal a way to get EverWebinar for free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, when you're hosting a webinar in EverWebinar, chatting with your attendees is one of the best ways to keep them engaged and make them feel involved. The chat feature helps create a sense of community, which is crucial for conversion and keeping your audience's attention. Next thing you need to know is how to actually respond in the chat. The chat interface is straightforward. When you're in the EverWebinar dashboard, you'll find a live chat section on the right. As questions or comments roll in, you can either respond publicly so everyone can see your answer or privately message attendees. This is key if you want to address personal queries without interrupting the flow of the webinar. The third thing that can make your life easier while responding is using canned responses. These are pre-written replies that you can quickly select and send out to save time when answering frequent questions. This feature works great for common inquiries like webinar start times, technical issues, or event specifics. You'll find this option in your settings where you can create custom responses, so you don't have to type the same thing over and over again. The fourth thing to keep in mind is keeping responses timely. Timing is everything when it comes to chat. If an attendee asks a question, you want to make sure you're responding quickly so they feel heard. But don't feel like you have to answer every single comment in real time. Instead, focus on addressing the main questions or interacting with your most engaged attendees to keep the conversation going. Lastly, let's talk about moderation. As the host, you have control over who can post in a chat. You can enable options to approve or block messages that aren't relevant or spammy. This helps maintain a professional environment and ensures your chat stays focused on the content you're delivering. So, whether you're looking to boost your webinar interaction or just trying to figure out how to manage EverWebinar chat, these tips will help you respond more effectively. And just before I wrap up, I want to remind you that if you want to try EverWebinar, you can do so completely free using the first link below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses when you sign up through this link. To sum up, responding in EverWebinar chat is all about staying engaged with your audience, using time-saving features like canned responses, and ensuring your webinar's chat environment is productive and welcoming. Don't forget to check the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses.